um sesingakhohlisana sikhulume ngoShebe beka wrong ngokuthi ayenze lezi zinto azenzile this and that. Into engokutshela yona ukuthi ifame ayikho easy. Ukuba famous kunomphumela, ukuba nemali kunomphumela, but abantu angeke baze bakutshele ama-secret wabo. Ukubhukwa left and right almost every day wenza ama-million, kunama-million aclean, kunama-million okungcola, but abantu mawuthi bafundisa something bazobona ngazuthi wena ingani. uShebe la khona uyazi ukuthi wayelo kabhampa, uyazi ukuthi wayengaphumi ejele. uShebe la khona uyazi ukuthi wayahlangabezana neyinkinga ezingaka zokusukela abantu, zokugwaza abantu, zama-accident nani. Kunezinto izenze bomnyameni zizobuya ekukhanyeni, and mazibuya ekukhanyeni zizodoma abantu abangazi ukuthi kunezinto zenze bomnyameni, but abantu abaziyo ngezinto zobumnyama bazowazi ukuthi why ulandelwa iy'nkinga ezingaka. Sibuyele emuva, uke waba ku-podcast ubani lo beka we-EFF, ubani uNdlozi, bam-interviewa uShebe, wakhuluma nge-dark side le music industry ukuthi laphana diyabuwa, and abantu makuthiwa diyabuwa abantu aba-understand ukuthi dibuwa kanjani. Dibuwa nje angeke aze akuchazele ngoba uyazi ukuthi ukuchaza kwakhe ukungena kwakhe eriskini, and la khona uyazi ukuthi into emfake ejele akusilento ayiyenzile, but into emfake ejele ilento aye wayikhuluma ngomlomo ukuthi ku-industry kwenzakalani. Remember, once you sign the deal and kuba nabantu abaku-ownayo, labo bantu anytime laba abaku-ownayo uloku ungazalwanga yibo, mabafise laba abakuyenzile ukuthi ube la ukhona, laba abakuphushile ukuthi ube la ukhona, laba abakuphushile ukuthi ube famous, ube nemali, labo bantu laba mabafuna ukuyithatha leyo fame nemali bazoyithatha, and bayakwazi ukuthi bangakudestroy once ukhuluma wena ukuthi kwenzakalani. And once uyidla imali abakunike yona, trust me, zonke izinto zibenefite ngabo mase kuyisikhathi sokuthi bazozithatha. Once wala ukwenza lento bafuna ukuthi wena uyiyenze, uwazi ukuthi bazokuphazamisa, uzoyithola i-accident uloku ungafanga, and once uthola i-accident uwazi ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga. Once udubula umuntu, kuzoba nabantu abakusukelayo abakuphushela ukuthi uyenze and ababhadaliwe ukuthi wenze i-mistake so that uzo-end up ukuphi usejele uphanisheka. If angavuma lento kumele ukuthi ayiyenze yena angaphuma anytime, trust me, leya case yakhe ingaphela, but ayikazi ukuphela because of akafuni ngalento kumele kunalento kumele ukuthi ayenze, uyazazi yena, but abantu bazocanga ukuthi ngoba asingama-celebrity thina sazi ukuthi ku-industry kwenzakalani. Siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-industry. Umuntu ongazi o-physically ngasonke isikhathi uzobona engazuthi hayi wena wenze ngathi wazi yonke into. Siyazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ebomnyameni, siyawazi amadili obomnyama thina.
Well, there you have it, you guys. That's another perspective by Neo the Soul, you guys, regarding this whole Shebe Shed saga. He has been in jail now close to a year and a half. There's been a lot of cases that has resurfaced, you guys, from attempted murder, robbery, and just a lot of stuff. Now, this guy says that Shebe Shed is not in jail because of those. He claims that Shebe Shed is there because of something very spiritual, He says that, these artists makes millions of money, not the right way, illegally, like spiritually. He claims that there are entities which are responsible for Shebe Shed's incarceration. The reason why he believes is because Shebe Shed knows exactly why he's there, and it's not what you and I think he's there for. It's not his cases. He says that it is more spiritual. He points out the old interview whereby Shebe Shed went to a podcast, an EFF podcast, where he basically said a lot of things about the big bosses, the evil big bosses, the one who rules the entertainment industry. They wanted him to join these dark forces, and Shebe Shed at the time mentioned that he doesn't want to join those forces. He kept on saying that Lena Alitsi, you guys don't know what's going on in the entertainment industry. Now, this man says that the only way that Shebeshit is going to walk away scot-free and everything's going to be erased, these cases are going to be erased, as if he agrees to the contract, whatever contract it is that they want from him. He says that Shebeshit, if he agrees, if he walks out scot-free out of jail, then know that he has signed, know that his career is going to go back to normal. He's going to boom, because at this point, whenever he goes to court, bail ends up being denied. His defense attorney offered 100,000 rands for bail, which of course was then declined. People at this point are furious, saying, why is it so hard for this man to be released? Ko Tronkong. Anyways, guys, what do you think about this? Do you think that this man is right? That this whole Shebeshit saga is spiritual, or if it's just, cloud chasing? Because every TikTok prophet would come to TikTok and do these prophecies about Shebeshit or any other celebrities in order to gain attractions and views for their channel and monetize, of course, on Facebook. Do you think that there's truth to what Nino Soul the Healer is saying? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. Do make sure, guys, that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. We'll definitely be seeing you the next one. Bye.